Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 7th December 2020. Today is Monday and I'm making a video of changing our very old car battery, that is Amaron Flow. We used the battery for around 7 years. Last time we changed the battery in the year 2013 and it lasted around approx 7 long years. So, and few days back it got discharged and I tried recharging it from 2 battery repair shops and both the shops recharged the battery pretty well, but it's not holding the charge because it became very old and one of the cell of the Amaron Flow or battery is dead. Actually it got broken, and because of that the volt it's holding currently is 11 volt approx, not 12.5. so that's the main reason our Alto car is not getting started. The Alto car which we have is not getting started, so I'm gonna bring the new battery home by exchanging the old battery and paying the difference amount. And I got the option to purchase the Excite or the Amaron, and I think I'm gonna buy the Amaron again because I think Amaron lasts pretty long as compared to Excite. That's my personal experience. Don't know about Excite performance currently, but yeah, in the olden days Amaron outlasted Excite, and yeah, that's why we prefer Amaron. So let's go to the shop, but before going to the shop I have to remove my old battery from the car, so let's go. So guys, let's pop open the bonnet of my car to remove the battery. So guys, the battery is out, dead battery is out. I've just now removed the 7-year-old dead Amaron battery. One of the cell of this battery died few weeks or months back, and because of that it's not holding the charge. So I'm gonna buy the new one to take this one for replacement. So guys, here I am at my local auto repair shop and auto parts store, SINGH store, automotive store, and I have taken my dead battery out of the car. This is the old battery, 2013. In the year 2013 I purchased the battery. You can see over here it's written 2013 in the month of April. April 2013 I purchased the battery and it lasted me around 7 long years. So I'm here to give this dead battery and buy the new Amaron brand battery. वो तो हम जान रहे हैं, अब लेने का रहता तो 3 वाला ही हम वहाँ से ले लेते एक्सचेंज करके, लेकिन मम्मी वाली का है दूसरा जगह से ले, जब इतना पुराना शॉप है हमेशा सब पार्ट्स यहीं से लेते हैं। वो तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग न्यू ही है ना। पेंटिंग हो गया है, पेंटिंग हो गया, पहला कोट बेस, अच्छा।